In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mail merge in New Outlook. We'll walk through the entire process so you can send individual, private copies of the same message to many people with just a few clicks. Start by opening the New Outlook for Windows, or Outlook on the web, and create a new message by selecting New Email. In the message window, go to the Options tab and choose Start Mail Merge. If you don't see that, open the Send drop-down in the message window and select Mail Merge there. Turning on Mail Merge first helps you see the right panel and fields as you compose. Next, add your recipients. In the Mail Merge panel, you'll notice there's a single recipients box. That's by design. There are no separate to CC or BCC fields in this experience. You can type addresses directly, paste a list you've copied from elsewhere, or add a distribution list. If you use a distribution list, make sure to click the plus icon to expand it into individual addresses before sending. Expanding the list gives you a clear view of who's included and lets Outlook create separate messages for each recipient. Now compose your email. Add a clear subject line and write the body as you normally would. You can include links, basic formatting, and inline images. Keep your greeting generic, such as Hello Team, because the current New Outlook Mail Merge does not support personalized fields like first name or job title. If you're repurposing text from another document or a prior campaign, give it a quick proofread to ensure your message makes sense without personalized placeholders. If you need to include files, attach them before sending. PDFs, images, and documents will be sent with each individual email, so every recipient receives their own copy. Take a moment to check the total size and number of attachments to avoid hitting mailbox or organizational sending limits. If you're unsure about your limits, keep attachments modest or consider linking to a shared file. When everything looks good, send it as a mail merge. Instead of clicking the regular Send button, open the Send drop-down and choose Send Mail Merge, or use the option in the Mail Merge panel. Outlook will send one separate email to each recipient, which keeps addresses private. All of the sent copies will appear in your Sent Items folder for easy review and record keeping. That's it. Thanks for watching.